This is Instructor Johnson. Just wanted to touch base with you regarding your question on MathXL. So here we're asked to graph the equation y is equal to 2x plus 7. And so for this, what we want to do is we want to use a y-intercept method. In other words, I want to find the y-intercept, which in this case is when x is equal to 0, and 2 times 0 is just 0, and we see this is equal to 7. So we know that the y-intercept is 0, 7, which is a point on a graph. And I want to use this information to start graphing my line. So we want to go over to our line tool here, and then we want to put it at approximately 7, and then go ahead and click, and then we want to move it to our next point, which is our next point in the line. Now if we wanted to use the x-intercept method, we can see we go into whole values here. So we go from -1, -2, -3, -4. Notice in the bottom right hand corner we see those numbers change to 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, or 6, 0. So these are the points. And this line essentially is the x-intercept, or any point along this line would be considered an x-intercept. In other words, we get a value for x and y is equal to 0. Unfortunately, the x-intercept for this is 3.5, and as we look at the tool, we go from -3 or -3.5, and as we look at the tool, we go from -4 to -3 or -3 to -4. We don't get that 0.5, so we're gonna have to use another point along that line. Why not 1 if we let x equal to 1? If we let x equal to 1, well, what's y going to be equal to? Well, let's take a look at this. If we let x equal to 1, we have 2 times 1, which is 1, plus 2, or plus 7, rather. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 7, and that comes out to be 9. So we know that when x is equal to 1, y is going to be equal to 9. So if we move our cursor, our point, to 1, 9, and click the keyboard, or click the mouse, this should give us our line, our equation for our line. We only need 2 points to create a line. And then, of course, we can check our answer, and it can tell us that we've done a wonderful job. Okay. So for these types of equations, or for these types of problems, we can use the x-intercept and the y-intercept method. Sometimes the x-intercept doesn't always work, or sometimes the y-intercept doesn't always work, as we saw here, because we got a decimal rather than a whole number. My suggestion for that is to pick a integer value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, so on and so forth, such that when it simplifies, we get a integer value output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, so on and so forth. Okay. So I hope that this helped, and please let me know if you have any additional questions. Thank you, and take care.